Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Twitter. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Twitter. Now, for those who don't know what Twitter is all about or what is this Twitter I'm referring to, Twitter is an online social networking and microblogging platform that lets users post and transmit text messages up to 140 characters in length, known as tweets. Following the online registration process, users can browse and post tweets by other followed users as well as submit their own using a computer or other Twitter compatible device like a smartphone and other gadgets. Twitter's unmatched popularity and resemblance to the SMS text messaging system used on telephones have earned it in the nickname the SMS of the internet. Different industries have utilized Twitter as a platform for a wide range of objectives in a number of settings. Direct contact between social groups and organizations is facilitated by it, particularly when hashtags are employed. So you have to go to this process in order for you to create an account, authenticate your account, and you have to prove that you're 100% human. Now, once you're done with everything, this is what Twitter looks like. Okay, so we have here two options. We have for you and following. So obviously, if you tap this following, all posts that you can see here are from those people you followed on Twitter. So as you can see, I have followed these people, these users here, so I can see their post. For you, you can see everything here, even those people you don't follow. Maybe those people who are trending on Twitter. Okay, so you can see their post here. Now, if you want to post something or tweet something like what's going on in your mind, you just have to go to this area and then tap something and what is happening. You can attach anything here like a file from your device, such as photos, videos, and also GIFs. On this side, you can see options like home, explore, premium, profile, and so on. You could also tap post here if you want to post. Here you can subscribe to premium if you want to upgrade your plan. In this area, these are the suggested people you want to follow. Okay, so if you want to look for specific people, then you can go to search or you can scroll down and look for some people here that you want to follow, popular or not popular. Okay, so if you want to interact with people here on Twitter, you can interact with them by just tapping this. Okay, you can reply to their tweet, you can add video, you can add photo, you can add GIFs, and then also add some emoticons. Okay, and then tap reply. You can also retweet. Okay, so once you retweet this one, you can retweet this directly, or you can add some captions or quotes before retweeting their post. You can like or tap this heart, so it means that you love or you like their post. And you can also save this one. You can bookmark this. Okay, and yes, you can also tap this one to copy or share this post or send this to via direct messages. Okay, so if you tap this one, then you can share this link to any of this social media platform. Also send a direct message to someone, or it can be your friend here on Twitter. Okay, so that's it. Now, the next thing to do here is to just simply follow someone you like. Or if you like this person's post, you can just simply go to this person's profile and click follow. Or you can also unfollow if you wanted to. Okay, so you can scroll down here to retweet, to interact with people. You can follow people, unfollow people. Okay, save their posts, comment, and love their posts. Everything is up to you. Now, if you think that if this is uninteresting and you don't want to see this post again, all you have to do is to click this three dots, and then you can see options here like not interested or mute someone. So if you think that this post is annoying or it's not good for you, or you don't like his or her post, you just have to tap the three dots and then you can click not interested or mute this user. Okay, so that's it. Now once you're done with picking your interest here on Twitter. Let's move on to following people on Twitter. So you can search their name, or you can go to this side here, show more, and there we have here suggested for you. And all you have to do is to click follow, okay? And you can unfollow them anytime. So if you want to follow a person or a group, specific group, channel, or whatsoever, you can go to this search right here and then type. For example, I want to follow anything related to Disney. So I have to type Disney here and then tap search. Now we have options here like top, latest, people, media, list. So I'm going to click this people and follow anyone who's related to Disney. Okay, so tap follow, follow, and then I can unfollow them anytime also if I wanted to. Okay, so that's it. That's how you follow a Twitter user or account. Now, if you tap explore here, then you can see any topic or event that is trending in your country. So, if you want to be updated with the trending news, you just have to go to explore and then tap trends. So, if you tap home, it will bring you back to your homepage. Now, again, if you want to post something, you just have to go to the site and then actually you can set your settings to everyone can reply, accounts you follow, verified accounts, only accounts you mention. So if you tap like accounts you follow, the people you follow can, interact with you once you posted this one. So let me tap everyone can reply. You can add videos, photos, and GIFs if you wanted to. You can also add some poll questions here. Okay, everything is up to you. And you can also schedule your post if you want. Okay. And yes, we have also here smileys and emojis. Okay. And this one is if you want to schedule your post, if you want to post this on the next day, so you can also create or tap schedule here. When it comes to posting, Twitter also has this character limit, and a tweet can contain up to 280 characters. Okay, so if you type above 280, you will see here that the number below will turn into red. So you have to fit into 280 words only. Once done, you can now click post. So let's just say you want to post a picture. So the question is, can we edit this picture here on Twitter? So this is an example here. So this is what it looks like. Yes, you can tag people, you can add description, and you can edit your post. Okay, so as you can see, you can crop that one. Okay, you can resize it if you want to, something like that. And then tap save. But when it comes to filters, I don't think that you can see any filter option here. Okay, so actually you can promote this post by just adding hashtags. So let's just say you want to add something game. Okay, so there are suggested hashtags here, and all you have to do is to pick one, or you can just simply create your own hashtag if you want. Also, you can mention anyone here. For example, you can mention game stores or game sites. If you want to, you just have to type at and then their name. Okay, and then once done, you can now click post. As easy as that. So we are done with the home page. Now let's go to Twitter profile. So if you want to set up your profile, add pictures, you just have to tap the setup profile here. Then you can add your profile picture here. You can also add your banner or Twitter banner, something like that. So you can add photo, you can select from your, or you can add from your device. You can also zoom this one, zoom in, zoom out, everything is up to you. Then click next. Okay, you can add some pictures or header. Okay, and then click apply. Okay, so this is your profile. You can add bio if you wanted to. So what makes you special? Don't think too hard, just have fun. So I just want to put something and then I can edit that later. For this one, I can skip this other questions here, options here. So this is what it looks like. Now below your name, you can see here the date or time that you have joined Twitter. And then you can also here see here options beside we have your explore notifications and so on. We have here following and followers. So I don't have any followers yet. But I followed 7 people already at this following. So we have your post, replies, highlights, media, and likes. So here you can see the things that you have posted, the replies, highlights, media, and also likes. Okay. So if you want to review or to know your history of likes and posts and replies, you just have to go to this section right here. So here on the left side, you can see your home, explore, notifications, messages, list, bookmarks, communities, premium profile, and more. So let's tap this messages here. So if you tap this, obviously you can write a message and send a message to someone. Now if you want to search people, for example, I want to send a message to my friend Ra, or this one here as an example, you can see that there are some people here that you cannot send a message, so it will appear right here that can't be message. So obviously you can send a message to these people or Twitter accounts here. So you have to find that someone that you can send a message. For example, Discord. Okay, so tap next, and I can send a message to this Twitter account or user. Now, if you go to the side, you can see here the settings and you can create a new message if you tap these icons above here. So you can also change settings for direct messages. So you just have to change it right here. Okay, so if you click more and go to settings and support, if you tap this one, then there you will see anything about your settings. If you want to change something about your account, if you want to know more about monetization, if you want to upgrade your account to premium, okay, if you click this creator subscriptions and no more, you just have to tap that one. Okay, and also we have here security and account access. So you just have to tap this if you want to change or if you want to connect some accounts. Privacy, if you want to, change the content to see, it's here. So we have here notifications, accessibility, additional resources, and so on. Okay, so if you want to change your setting, modify your setting, you just have to go to settings and privacy. Okay, that's it. Now, once done, you can go back to your home. Or you can go to other features here if you want to explore more about Twitter. So we have your communities, okay, premium, and you can go back to your profile, and that's it. Now, I do really hope that somehow I give you a little bit idea about how to use Twitter, especially if you're a beginner. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.